Welcome this amazing video. Video title is Covered Patio Attached to House Backyard Idea. A covered patio attached to your backyard often our style, comfortable and style outdoor space where you can relax, entertain and enjoy nature. With a vibrant of design elements, material and decor other. You can comfort or simple patio into a vibrant element to your home. Here are some create idea to inspire a functionally and beautiful cover patio space. Pergola style patio. A pergola add an elegant architecture elements well stick allow sunlight to feel through made for wood, metal or easy while pergola create a scene style area that provide screen without feel close out. You can add charm plants will allow for a lush and natural material. Coping that also add an touch of color and a flash to include functionally consider add resisting or for expand size for vibrant relaxed wood design. If you enjoy for natural look or resting wood palette patio with and explored being call can bring warmth and charm to your backyard. Use claimed wood for an eco-friendly and budget-friendly affair or for natural time with to withstand outdoors. Add wood furniture and charm palette. Complement this look create a charm look retreat right and your backyard. Pro type: finish the wood with shaft